So we're heading to Sharjah now. We're still in Dubai at the moment. There's 2 or 3 different ways. So if you go right here, there's one way to go to Sharjah via the main road, which is the E11, the Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed road. And then if you go left here and then take another right, you can go a back way. So we're just trying to find out which is the best way. Left? Left?
Yeah.
Sure? Are you saying left? Okay. Left and then right, or left and...
Left and then right.
So on the left hand side is Dubai. If you carry on going that way, you end up downtown. The bridge is off to lots of different ways. This part of Beirut Street, if you keep going here, which way I'm heading, you end up in Sharjah. So at this moment in time, we are still in Dubai. As soon as we go under this bridge, that's the cut-off point for Sharjah. Yeah, so as you can see, under the bridge, just here on the right hand side, there's a taxi park there. That is a Sharjah taxi. Now the reason why they wait there is because now we've just entered to Sharjah. So this part here would be a different fare, and that part there would be a different fare. Hence the fact the taxis wait under the bridge. So if anybody wants to come up to that point, they can actually catch the taxi in Sharjah and not have to pay an additional fee. Because when you cross the border from Dubai to Sharjah, I think there's an additional fee of about 30 dirham or so. So this is the road that I was just talking about, the bridge. This is the actual bridge. It's actually a road which leads from one side to the other. At this moment in time, what you're seeing on the right hand side is Sharjah, and what you're seeing to the left is Dubai. Now a little bit further down, once we get over this next part, what you see in front of you is still Sharjah as well, because the border itself is actually curved. It actually curves around. So what you're seeing on the left hand side as I'm taking this bend, that's Sharjah now. What you're seeing in front of you, that's also Sharjah. And yeah, we're actually in Sharjah now. Yeah, all of this is Sharjah as well. So this side of the mall is Sharjah. The other side of the mall, it's looking into Dubai. So it's not in Dubai, but it just looks over into Dubai. There's actually like what you're seeing here to split the road up. You're seeing this metal fence. This is obviously a barrier between 2 sides of the road. But also on the other side, I'll try to record it another time if I haven't done so already. There is a barrier that splits Dubai and Sharjah. You can just freely walk through it. It's just a gate of some sort that just splits the 2 emirates up. Go straight left.
Go straight after the roundabout. There's a building on the right.
I think anyway, so I just fueled up from one of the first petrol stations that you actually hit when you come into Sharjah, well, this part of Sharjah anyway. And we used to come here quite regularly on this side. I do remember it. It's a lovely place, nice little drive, and you know, it's been like over a year, maybe even 2 years. Actually, yeah, it's been over about 2 years. This time 2 years ago, we were here visiting these areas and getting to know this part of the UAE, and now we're back doing errands, should I say, family errands. Talk about nostalgia. The first time I ever started recording any of my driving videos, I had to get a car mount for my phone, because I was actually recording off my phone, and it was an older phone that I had then, going back about it's 2 years, going back 2 years, the first few videos that I ever recorded. And the mount that I bought was from this shop here. I do remember that was one of the first times that I came into this area, and I was like, you know what, I need to get something to record it, because I'm exploring something new and it's a perfect opportunity for me to start recording. And that's what I did. I picked it up from here, stuck it straight on my windscreen, attached my phone and just started recording. So yeah, good memories. Now I've parked a bit awkwardly here. That's the main road, as you can see. And the speed is about, I think, 60 to 80 kilometers an hour. It's just literally a line that separates us. It's a really tight one. If I put it in reverse, you'll be able to see how tight the other car is. It's really close. But then going through here, it's quite tight as well. So I've just kind of nipped my car in, although it's still sticking out, because it's a bit dangerous to actually reverse it in as well. I have no idea how these guys do it, but yeah. If I do a U-turn and go across there, that side, you get the beach. I think it's Muhaisnah beach, I'm not sure exactly what it's called. You have to check it out on the map. But that's a nice little spot as well. And then after this, it's just down the road, so you'll be able to see it as well. There's a nice place that's 24-hour bakery, and they make all of their stuff fresh. So we're just gonna head there and pick some bread up. I ordered 5 dirhams from like 2 years ago. I still remember this in my head, because I was thinking about stuff here. Where's this one? Yeah.
This is new.
No, it's not. I came here to he said to me, leave it, it's still in my head. You forgot it was still in my head.
The kitchen?
It won't be. It's a hotel. How much was that? Can I sleep here? Just ask him, is it a hotel? Hi, is this a hotel or apartments? Is it only hotel or apartments as well?
Only hotel.
Only hotel, no kitchen?
No kitchen, yeah?
No, no kitchen.
Okay, thank you. So this is the bakery I was talking about. It's called Baker's House, and it's a 24-hour bakery. Fresh bread. Obviously they'll have certain times when they churn it out, but it is lovely.
1 dirham for 4 pieces.
And how much dirhams did you get?
5.
So this is 5 dirhams worth of bread, which is basically £1. And they've got 20 pieces in there, and freshly baked. They've got their own ovens in there and everything. So we used to drop down here and just pick this up for the week. So this is for all the sandwiches and everything.